Hey guys, how we doing? Happy Sunday, everybody. So we had quite a bit of action yesterday in the Bitcoin price. Sorry I didn't get a video over yesterday evening. I was out and about with some other stuff that I had to do. So we had the sell down. Still not broken the buy DMT line, although it is now sitting at 10,000 and 10,060-ish. So as you can see, DMT has saved us getting in along any point in this part of the trend. And then so now potentially we could end up getting along about $350 lower. So that is great. I mean, there's nothing to say the trade will work out, but still buying anything $350 lower is better than buying it $350 higher, isn't it? So what I do also, so we had an Ethereum trade. We had our first Ethereum trade with the Ethereum bot. So if we go to the Ethereum chart, so when we broke down here yesterday. We closed under, so we got our sell at the close of the candle here, which was at 270, and then the bot then actually got us out for 2% profit at 265 pretty quickly. But as you can see, it went down for a lot more than it went. I think that must be about 4% profit. Let's see. Yeah, nearly a 5% profit the trade went to in total, but our bot got us out at just under 2%. So I'll show you that on the thing. So there's our message. There's our alert. The alert that went off, the Ethereum alert just there. So that went off at 5:15 yesterday. So if we go over to the 3Commas bot, so we can see here, obviously there's no active orders because the trade is shut. So we can go on to my deal history. And there we have the Ethereum trade. So we made 1.96%. So I did say, didn't I, to you guys, that I was having the Ethereum bot a bit of a smaller position size. But I might increase that now. And I might also slightly increase the Bitcoin bot size as well. Seeing as if we do hold over 10%, we could be going back up, so it could be a good buy level. I mean, I have been quite bullish recently on Bitcoin, so I have to be a bit cognizant of the fact I'm aware that I'm probably slightly biased. But we will adjust the size of the positions the bot takes. So if I go on to my bots, just another thing I wanted to quick show you. Yeah, so it shows you how long we're in the deal for. So we're in the deal for about an hour. So that's not bad, 2% in an hour. A smash and grab in Ethereum there. So go to my bots. We will my bots here. So currently the long BTC bot is at 40% of the account size. So we're gonna change that to 50%. It's a bit slow. We'll change that to 50%. So that one's done. We'll just change the buy ones at the moment because I still think the market is overall quite bullish. So it will be a buy trade that's next anyway. So there'll be plenty of time to adjust to the short trade. Oh no, we will do it now anyway, just in case we get put into a long and then it goes straight to a short. We'll change the short one to 50% then also. And then we'll also adjust. I think we had a smaller size for the Ethereum trades as well. So yeah, the Ethereums are only on 20, so we'll increase them by 10 as well. We won't increase them by any more than 10, just because now we are set up for two buy trades, a buy in Ethereum and a buy in Bitcoin. So we've obviously got potential for increased risk there anyway. So I don't really need to increase it any more than that. So just got to do the long Ethereum bot now, and that'll all be done. Being a bit slow here. Yep, so this is the last one that I need to edit. Change that to 30% also. Right, so all that's done. So yep, so that's great. Yeah, so looking at the Bitcoin chart, yeah, with my own account, with my own personal account, I took some of the position off because I was going to be out and about. So I had a quarter of my normal position size, and then I actually bought again when we were dumping. I bought at 9,900, and then I actually bought at 9,762, which yeah, so but I actually put orders in to buy at 9,800 because I was watching it on my phone, but the market dumped further, so I actually got filled at 9,762. So I won't pretend like I was roundabout low tick in the market. It's just I put the orders in there, and then I took half of that position off when it basically went back on side. So I've actually reduced my average entry position to $10,008 is where I'm long from in Bitcoin now on my main account. But only half a position size. Yeah, no, not even half a position size, a quarter of a position size at the moment. Because then I've taken some more off at over 10,000. So now I'm just, if we get another dip, I'll reload again. And I've got my stops basically just below the low of that wick down. So yeah, so anyway, so that's great news on the Ethereum bot. So the Ethereum bot took its first profitable trade, so I'm really pleased about that. Yeah, that's great. And yeah, so I'll have another video maybe later on today if we get any action. If not, it'll be tomorrow morning. So thanks for listening, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. And yeah, like, comment, share this video. And thanks a lot for listening, guys.